Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session and again potentially into the US session. Today is June 9th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be June 10th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'll be giving you guys some of the levels that we'll be looking at. If you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys may have, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys on that. But with that said, let's go ahead and hop into it. Now, we had a lot of a slower movement today on S&P 500. Really did kind of chop between a range. During the London session, we finally got that push up into our resistance that was taking place here from this kind of mid area right there. From here, we did range a bit. We ranged right between this area, right between these 26, 28s, kind of bouncing around that area and then pushing right back up against these 33s, coming right back down. So a bit of a consolidation that we were having over and over and over again. Very, very tight little range that we had today until it finally just collapsed down below, coming back into our level of support. So what do we want to see for S&P 500? Really want to see this market get down into this level, 1550 to about 14. If not there, 4206.75 and or 4201.25. And when we get down there, we want to see this market give us some support ideas there. If we get that support happening, nice little angled double bottom, maybe we could see a market move right back up into the midsection and then back to the top of 42.33 for a continued bullish move. Now for resistance, again, you can see where resistance is. Getting that market right into those 42.33.25s, failing to get through, gives us a short opportunity to the middle area and then down below. Below those 42.1550s, we're going to see the market try to get into these 0675s, and similar, you want to see this market try to pop from this area, and if not there, get down below into the 4201 or 4191.50 and try to do the same thing from there. Now, I'm not really looking for too much shorts because we're strongly bullish. Only time I'm looking to take a short against the momentum is at the edge here at 42.33.25. Other than that, really not going to be looking for too much shorts on S&P. But let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P for you guys. So you guys can see we're trying to round out here. We did come down, not completely, but kind of close to it. Couldn't get through it, so we're trying to bounce back up, maybe take it back. We're at the mid-level, maybe take it back up into resistance 42.33.25, but not an area I want to be trading right in the middle of this. I'd rather it either come back down to support and then bounce from there, or pop all the way back to resistance, fail, and then get us an opportunity for the short. Now, the only time we're looking for a long outside of this area 42.50 is if we get back above these, or if we get above these 42.33s, retrace, get that pullback, and then a stall right at 42.33.25 for a continuation of bullish move. That may happen towards the end of the week. We'll see if that actually takes place, but those are going to be our opportunities there on gold. Again, below that 42, I mean not gold, but S&P. Below that 4206.75, 4201.25, and 4191.50. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold for you guys. Sorry, I was getting a little bit ahead of myself there, but let's take a look at gold here. You can see bit of a ranging movement. We did have a level 1890.7. We did bounce up. We did have a slight consolidation in this area for a nice little pop in the morning. Got into a measure move of 1901.6 and then started to head right back down into support. Bounced off this support, came up, and then started to move even lower below that support. You can see where we're currently at, trading below 1890.7, and should potentially move into 1884.3. So we want to see if this gold can give us a continued move down. If not, we pop back above those 1890.7s and then try to continue our way back up. But being below 1890.7, again, that could be one of two things. You're either going to look for that short to continue to the next support, or you're going to look for the support here for a continued move back up from there. Now you get below 1884 again, next level 1876.9 and then 1868. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here for you guys so you guys can see levels above 1906, 1911.8. That's going to be our levels above. But let's take a look here. You can see again, we'll hold that picture up for you guys. Nice little bounce. So we're looking for 1884 as our next level of support. So we'll see if the market can give us that opportunity there. If we don't see that happen, then we want to see the market try to come underneath these 1884 threes and then pull down to our next level, 1876.9. So we'll see what takes place on this gold. Again, if we get back above 1890.7, could potentially see the market try to shoot back up. So once we pop above that, you can see we could actually get a nice pullback here and then continuation of move back to the upside there on gold. Let's take a look at oil. Give you guys some ideas here on oil. Do want to see if the market can actually pull back a little bit deeper into a level here at 68.98. Now there could be another level that comes right across here that we could actually have, which is going to be 69.34. Could be our first area of a bounce of support. I'm not too keen on this one, but you guys can put that if you guys want. 68.98 is going to be an interesting level for me, where I want to see if we're going to catch some support there. So I'll be patient, wait till the market tries to pull into this level. If we get that support, we'll be looking for the upside from there. If not, then we're going to be looking for the market to come back down to 68.28 and be the upside move from that area. Below 68.28, it's going to be 67.47. And then resistance above 69.99, 70.55, and then 70.89 as a measured move up above. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on oil for you guys. So again, for oil, you see we're grinding down. We are popping up just a little bit, may round out and try to pull up a little bit from here. If not, wait for this market to get down to those 68.98s and then give us an opportunity to trade this back to the upside. If you don't want to do that, then you would continue somewhere around here for the short continuation to move it down. Kind of right in the middle for me, so don't really want to put that in there. But if the market moves back up into that area of 69.99 and fails to get through, then that's going to be a good short opportunity for me. Other than that, that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these videos. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, for those who are going to be in the trading in the London session with Pure Structure Trading, I will see you guys in there. For those that are going to trade alone and continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. Take care. Have a great night.